today we're looking at solving exponential equations. Now what we need to have to solve exponential equations, we need to have two numbers with the same base on both sides. So, for example, what you need to ask yourself is, what number can I raise to a power and get 6, raise to another power and get 36? Well, the answer is 6. So what I'm going to do is I need to rewrite each of these so it's 6 to some power. Well, this one already was. 6 to what power gives you 36? It's 6 squared. If my bases are the same, that means my exponents must be the same. So it's almost like I can say here that I'm getting rid of the bases and looking just at the exponents. So 4x minus 7 equals 2, and then I just solve like normal. 4x equals 9, x equals 9 over 4. For number 2, what number can I raise to a power and get 9, raise it to a different power and get 27? Well, 9 is the same as 3 squared, and then 27 is the same as 3 cubed. So I'm going to write it like this, and then I just need to try to simplify it. I'm going to make this 3 to the 4x, and this guy is going to be 3 to the 3x minus 6. Make sure I distribute when I do that multiplication. And now again, the bases are the same, so the exponents are the same. 4x equals 3x minus 6. That means x equals negative 6. Alright, and this third one here. First of all, I want to look and say that, well, I should combine this to make it one big exponential. So when I'm multiplying, it means I'm adding the exponents. That means I have 3 to the x. And let's see over here. Can I write this as 3 to a power? Well, I definitely can. 3 to the 4th gives you 81. To get you 1 over 81, I don't want positive 4, I want negative 4. And again, if the bases are the same, the exponents are the same. So x equals negative 4, and there you go, you're done. Alright, number 4, we have to have a couple different options here. Let's say option number 1, what's a number I can raise to a power get 64 and 16? Well, I can start by saying it would be 4, because 4 cubed gives you 64, so 4 cubed to the x power, and multiply that by 4 squared gives you 16, and that's raised to the x plus 1. Now, the other question we need to ask then, I want it to be all with 4s. 4 to what power gives you 1? Well, any number to the 0th power gives you 1, so 4 to the 0 is your answer. So I'll have 4 to the 3x times 4 to the 2x plus 2 equals 4 to the 0. That means this is 4 to the 5x plus 2. I'm adding my exponents because I'm multiplying. Equals 4 to the 0. I now have like bases, so I can set the exponents equal. Make sure you set it equal to 0. So I get 5x equals negative 2, or x would equal negative 2 over 5. Now, if you didn't like 4, maybe you noticed that you could have done 2 instead. It would have been 2 to the 6th power, and then this would have been 2 to the 4th power, and still would have been 2 to the 0. So I would have had 10x plus 4 equals 0. I would have had 10x equals negative 4. X equals negative 4 over 10, which is the same as negative 2 over 5. So either way, I would have had the exact same answer for that problem. Alright, this last one. 3 to the x equals 6. What number can I raise to a power and get 3? Raise it to another power and get 6. Well, there is none. 3 to the first power gives you 3. There's no other number I can raise to get 3. And 3 squared gives you 9, not 6. So right now, we can't do this problem. We're going to learn in your next lesson, we're going to do something called taking a logarithm of both sides, which we've talked about what logs are, but now how to use them to solve equations. We're going to be using this logarithm idea, so check out the next lesson to be able to see exactly how to do that.